it looks like Thor. I'm not even joking. Tell me that doesn't look like Thor. Oh my. Stop. Wow. Stop it. So I hope you're well and having the most incredible day as always. Welcome back to my channel. I hope you guys are doing well. If you guys haven't seen, Lush have just released a brand new collaboration, and that is with Shaun the Sheep. This just arrived at my door and I thought, you know what, it is only fair that I sit down now and unbox this with you guys. I am so excited. As always, I'm so eternally grateful for Lush for sending me things, and so thankful to you guys for subscribing, supporting me, and for this to be a reality. Honestly, it just makes my day. It makes me feel so grateful and so thankful, and I just feel very lucky. So without further ado, let's dive into the box and see what's inside. I hope you guys enjoy and carry on watching. Okay, so opening it up, we have, oh my goodness, okay, so we have got the most adorable little Shaun the Sheep sticker, which I will absolutely keep and put that on my Kindle for sure. And then we also have this card, which I'm going to assume has some of the things on the inside. Have a look at that. I absolutely just love Lush's attention to detail. Like things like this, I love it. I'm so excited. Okay, let's dive in. Okay, so the first thing we have is the Naughty Pigs shower jelly. I have seen some videos of this on Instagram and it looks absolutely adorable because if I am correct, oh, stop it. That smells so good. Oh, wow. Look at that. Can you guys see? They're little piggies. I'm not going to get them out because I will get liquid all over the carpet. But can you guys see? Hopefully you guys can see that there's pigs in there. That smells so good. We've definitely had that smell before. Has it got sand on it? It's got like sand on it. Can you guys see? Like mud, I guess. That smells delicious. Wow. So on the card of this one, it says 3 menacing thieves steal away boring shower times and replace with a hogwash of fresh grapefruit and warm base notes of sandalwood. All is forgiven. Ingredients wise in this one, it has fresh carrot infusion. Wait, is it carrot scented? No, it's not. It's something different. Anyway, carrying on from that, as I said, we have got fresh carrot infusion, but we've also got carrageenan extract, geranium oil, grapefruit oil, sandalwood oil. This smells very, very fruity and very strong. It's a very, should I say very anymore? Fresh, sweet, just really lovely fragrance. I absolutely love that, and I love the way that it's 3 little pigs. That is so cute. 10 out of 10 Lush. Love that. Oh my... Stop. It's a soap. Why did I think this was a bubble bar? That is so cute. It's a little tractor. Oh my gosh, I absolutely love that. So this is the Troublesome Tractor soap, and ingredients wise, this one has rapeseed oil, coconut oil, coffee infusion, sage oil. It's also got eucalyptus, geranium, lemon myrtle oil, coconut oil. Oh wow. That smells very fresh. You can definitely smell the like lemongrass, lemon myrtle smell. It's very lemony. Oh, it's incredible. This one says, get in the slow queue for the basin. This is a tractor you'll be happy to wait for. A ploughman special of geranium and clary sage for hard-working hands. That is so cute. Look how adorable. And it's a little tractor. I love that. And I didn't realise it was soap. For some reason, I thought the tractor was a bubble bar. I don't know why. Wow, that is so delicious. Next up, let's go for... I feel like I'm going to regret picking this one up next, but I really want to. Oh, it's so cute. This is the Bitzer Body Balm. Look at how adorable that is. So I need to be really relatively quick because this one is melting in my fingers, but he is so cute. This one says, offload the hard work of hydrating your dry bits to this canine can-doer. He's herded... Wait. Yeah, I could not read then. He's herded apricot kernel oil, mango and shea butters into a balm that works smarter, not faster. And ingredients wise, we have got cocoa butter, kabuchi butter, lippy butter, shea butter, mango butter, apricot kernel oil, fresh carrot juice, bergamot oil, lime oil, violet leaf absolute, and gardenia extract. Wow. Wait, that went up my nose. This smells like a food. Like a sweet. Wait. Okay, this is going to sound so random, but I feel like I'm correct. You know, I'm salivating. I need to put this down because it is literally melting in my fingers. You know those, what are they called? You can get them in Tesco's, and they're like the licorice rainbow belt thingies. Do you know people were putting them in the freezer a while ago and it was like this whole thing? They're like stripy. It smells exactly the same like the taste of those. It's so good. It smells really fruity, really fresh. So delish. That is not what I expected at all. For some reason, I thought that this range was going to be really grassy, really earthy, very kind of woodsy and that kind of smell. So I'm really, really impressed so far. And I like every single thing, which is so exciting. The next item I think has to be the cutest bubble bar I have ever seen. Like, it looks like Thor. I'm not even joking. Tell me that doesn't look like Thor. I'll insert a photo of Thor. Tell me it doesn't look like him. This is so cute. So this is the Sleepy Timmy bubble bar, obviously. And it says, keeping up with Shaun's antics all day calls for an early night. Timmy's lavender and chamomile bubbles will carry you off to bed nicely. No need to count sheep. And ingredients wise, it has got lavender oil, chamomile oil, neroli oil. You've also got cornstarch, lavender absolute, and I think that's it. Stop. It's a French kiss, I think. Is it? I think so. It's giving a French kiss, but like with a bit more chamomile. God, that's so good. And again, look at how freaking cute he is. Stop it now. I cannot break him up. I'm gonna feel so bad. Oh, so sweet. Stop it. I love that. And last but definitely not least, I feel like this couldn't be the Shaun the Sheep box without Shaun the Sheep. So this is the Shaun Bath Bomb, and this one says cute citrus and a pretty bar... Wait, what? Bad. Oh, I couldn't read. Hang on. Rewind. Cute, curious, and a pretty bad conversationalist. This iwi... No, hang on. Okay, they've done a lot of like sheep puns. I'm finding it really hard to read, so let's try that one more time. Cute, curious, and a pretty bad conversationalist. This unique chap will fill your tub with a flock of jasmine and rose, absolute, and a luxuriously green landscape. I was getting so close. I'm sat like this, I can't read. Ingredients wise in this one, we've got rose absolute, orange flower absolute, lemongrass oil, jasmine. You've also got coconut milk powder. Wow, that is really fresh. Again, why I expected everything to smell like garden, like I have no idea. But that is a really beautiful fragrance. It smells like floral, very subtle. Definitely got that floral undertone. It just kind of smells like a really gentle floral, like hand washy, like laundry detergent kind of smell. Absolutely adorable. And look at him. He is so cute. I cannot cope. Oh, I love, that's so nice. So those are all of the items from the Lush Shaun the Sheep collaboration. There is a body spray though, which I am pretty sure smells like grass. Correct me if I'm wrong down below, but I'm pretty sure it's a grassy fragrance. So not a bit of me. All of this is a bit of me. I cannot recommend it enough, honestly. If you guys ever want to check out any of these products, I do have my affiliate link down below, which as always, I would absolutely love for you guys to use, but you don't have to if you don't want to. Obviously, I do earn a teeny tiny commission from what you spend on it, so only use it if you would like to, but it is there. Anyway, ramble over. Lush, I love you. I am so grateful for you. I cannot thank you enough. Again, as always, your generosity does not go unnoticed, and I just feel incredibly lucky and just so grateful, and I'm so excited to try all these things, especially this, like this. Oh, it smells delish. Anyway, that is everything for today's video. I'm gonna love you and leave you. If you guys haven't yet subscribed, please do. It would honestly make my day, and I would love for you to join my corner of the internet. And yeah, that is everything. I love you guys so much, and I will see you in my next one. Bye guys.